Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly. Today I'm sharing with you just a little different video. Some of y'all know that over a month ago my daughter and her husband had a little baby boy, and I just wanted, and they had a baby shower and everything, but I wanted to kind of give them just a little gift basket for when they got home from the hospital for each of them. So this was just a video on just what I put together for them, so maybe it might give you some ideas if you have a parent to be who's getting ready to have the baby. Just some ideas to put together, and this could be suit their personality, whatever their likes are, whatever their interests are. I just thought it would just be a cute little idea to do. So the first thing I did for my daughter was I found this little basket. It was real cute from Dollar General, and I just stuffed it with some bags and some of that packaging bubble material that I had, and just to have things kind of be able to rise up a little bit in the basket. And I just put down some blue tissue paper. So the first thing I did was have this little set that came from Amazon, and it's for new moms, and it's for after you have the baby. So it has all the creams and different things that they can have, and this little book that's an I Love You Mommy book, and I thought this was really sweet, so I bought that off of Amazon as well. And we're from Louisiana, so I bought these little books also from Amazon, and I thought that would be cute. So kind of have a little bit of our history of our state in a sense. So I put those in there, and she can read those to the baby. And also this little book from Dollar Tree, and I felt like she could use this just to write in the baby's milestones and things when they first turn over, when their first words, things like that. So I thought that was a nice little book to have, just a little notebook. And this is also another little notebook from Dollar Tree, and it's something like if she wanted to put it in her purse, she can keep appointments and things like that in it, or while they're out and about and the baby does certain things and she wants to remember those things that happen, she can write that down as well. And I found this cute little mug on Etsy and got this one for her, and it just says Mom Established 2022. And I bought some candy from Dollar Tree as well, and a lot of Godiva chocolates are there, so they have good quality treats that you can put in here. And she likes this caramello, so I put that in there as well. And these Ferrero Rocher. Now I had to take the caramello out so I could put that other one in, and just tied it with a bow and put that caramello in the basket later when I find a place to put it. But Amazon also had this little devotional for parents, so I thought this was a sweet book to put in there, and they both can actually read that. But I just thought it would give them some good little devotions. And Dollar Tree also had these little prayer cards, and I thought these were perfect just when you want some inspiration, just to be encouraged. So I put those just the best way I could fit them in there. Now I also got these from Dollar Tree, and these were some like face mask and foot mask. I thought she could have a little spa day. She can have to just relax, just even if it's 20 minutes or half an hour, just something that she can pamper herself with. And we both love the Friends show, so this one was a little zipper bag on Amazon, the one where I become a mommy. I thought that was perfect for her, so I got that one. She can use that to put baby things in, to put in the diaper bag, or she can use it to put her own makeup, things like that she needs to take along with her. and also some of these aloe socks. If you have never tried socks that are infused with aloe, you need to try that. These are really comfortable on your feet. It helps soothe them a little bit. So I thought those were really nice to have, especially after having a baby. And you want to be comfortable and not have to wear shoes around the house and things like that. So those are great. And I'm just going to put that little candy in there. And also Three Musketeers. I bought a bunch of treats and things for them. And that's kind of the play on now that they're the Three Musketeers, now that they have a little baby. Same with the baby Ruth, just to play on the word baby. And you can put any type of candy or whatever snacks that they enjoy, that they like, and 100 grand. And I thought that was also a play on, well, you know how we always say it takes a lot of money to raise kids, but they also like that type of candy. And she has not had coffee her whole pregnancy, so I bought some of those Starbucks to put in, and a little t-shirt that says hashtag mom life, and I got that also from Amazon. So I just wanted her to have a little shirt that had something with mom on it. And since we're from Louisiana, this is the little onesie I got her, and I just thought it was a sweet little onesie with all the things that Louisiana is known for. And I just kind of arrange things around. Everything gets a little moved around a bit because it starts getting pretty full. And the same thing here. She's an LSU fan, so I got this little LSU onesie with the little bib. So I thought that was really a sweet little outfit for the baby, and she had been looking for one, so I found one for her and went ahead and got that. And then you just have to find a place to put it, so I kind of just hung it on the side. But like I said, there's so many things that you can do. Whatever the person you're giving it to, personalize it to them. And I just threw some lifesavers in there. So just like I said, personalize it to what types of things they would like. And for my son-in-law, at first I was going to use this little toolbox that Dollar Tree had, but I realized it was going to be too small for what I wanted to use it for. But I just wanted to give you an idea that you can use something like this, and you could fill it up with different items for the father-to-be. And also another idea is to use these little bins that Dollar Tree has. They're collapsible bins, but you can put things in there, and that's also reusable for them to use. You can use it to put clothing or hats or anything else in there, or even for the baby's toys. But what I decided to do was a small ice chest, and I put Daddy's Survival Kit on this one with some stickers from Dollar Tree, and those will just pop right off when they want to use that as an ice chest. Now his was already put together, but I'm just kind of showing you what type of things I had in there. So some like peanuts and things, some mini Oreo cookies. So these are like snacks, midnight type things, or you just want to, keep you going. Just some little snacks, and some beef jerky with the cheese. And I had just put some of that bubble wrap in there to raise everything up, and a little mug that says Dad Fuel, and some Red Bull. And my son-in-law loves like tacos and things like that, so I kind of got little things that would go with him for that. Same thing with the Three Musketeers, peanut candy, the baby Ruth, and he's from Michigan, so I wanted to get him a book that he could read to his son that kind of talked about his state. So that's a Goodnight Michigan book. And I also got him an I Love You Daddy book. So these are things that they can read to the baby when they're up late at night, that type of thing when they get older and they know, they like to hear you read. Also behind that is it with some teethers, and this is good for when they start to teeth. And as I said before, he loves his tacos and things like that. So it had like the little taco teether, a little pizza teether, and you can see it on the box. It has a little pretzel and everything. But the little pizza one has like a little harder piece there for them to gnaw on. But also the little, they have that crinkly sound to it. And then this little taco book was so cute. It's like a little puppet. So I thought that was cute for the baby as well, that they can read. It makes it a little bit fun, I think, for the parents too. And Dollar Tree had this little dad sign that said, a son's first hero, daughter's first love. We didn't know until they had the baby, because it was a surprise. They didn't even know if they were having a boy or girl, so I thought that was still perfect because it says dad. And I got him this dad t-shirt that says daddy, and it's like I don't want to unfold it. I didn't want to unfold it, but it says daddy on it. But it kind of has an American flag, and he's in the Air Force and everything. I thought that was also a perfect little t-shirt to give him. Patriotic. And like I said, I wanted them to have that. And I got him some pistachios, some beef jerky, and there's a Slim Jim over there. So things like that, things that they can snack on. You can go as expensive or as inexpensive as you want, but these were just little things I just wanted to give them. And also I had 2 of these for my daughter, but I couldn't fit the other one in the basket without jamming it in there, so I just left that on the outside. And this is what they look like when they're done. So really, like I said, you can do anything with these. You can give them whatever you think that the parents would like, just as a little gift, just for them. Even though I do have some things in there for the baby, but it's kind of for them to share, I guess, with the baby, with the books and things. So just a little extra. And I thought they turned out great. They loved them, so I'm happy that they enjoyed it. And I also had, when they came home from the hospital, I put up a little sign that was also from Dollar Tree, and made a little balloon arch for them, so that way it would just be a nice little surprise when they came in. So just something to celebrate the day and the event. Babies are precious, and this one is my sunshine in my heart. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope this gives you some ideas. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing more like this, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. I hope everyone has a blessed day. Thank y'all so much for watching. God bless y'all.